Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop Filmora screen recorder. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as you know, Filmora provides many tools that you can use for your videos. And one of them are the screen recording. And basically here you will find the tools, etc. So here in my videos, we can simply find these records, and from here we can start recording from webcam, PC screen, or whatever. So simply when you go to the media, I'm just going to start recording the PC screen, and simply we can go to our Wondershare, and from here we will find this screen button, or this uh, this panel. And from here you can find the settings, and from here you will be able to start adding starting screen recording or not. And here you can simply find also the record time. If you want to stop recording, to have an automatic record, here you can choose to hide the mouse gesture or to leave it. And here you will find the pause and resume hotkey, and this one the start and stop hotkey. So basically you will be needing to choose any one. So I'm just going to choose F, and here I'm just going to click on F. So let's just get out of the settings. And now I'm just going to click on F, and as you can see, it starts recording. Now I'm just going to click on F again, and now it's stopped recording. So basically, you will be needing just to start and choose any key frame, and you can simply just doing it by that. And from here, as you can see, we are recording. We don't have any, so I'm just going to click F, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.